Welcome to Wheelie Detailers. Let's check out this new product, the Rain Buster Rain Repellent to add to your screen wash. So recently we added the 5-in-1 brand from the USA to the CarCat24 EU website. So this is the first product I'm gonna test from them. The Rain Buster should be a concentrate which you can dilute with 5 liters of water to add to your screen wash. And with that you have a cleaner and a repellent for your windscreen. So sounds very simple. I'm gonna check out in real life how simple it actually is. Let's first check out the before situation by rinsing the windshield. Let's go. So that water film is clinging on very nicely. I can see hardly that it's breaking open, only here on the top end. So we can see here on the windshield, so after circa 2.5 minutes, where the wipers don't touch the windshield, there the water film is breaking open. Often also not that spectacular. Everywhere the wipers touch the windshield, we can see that the water film clings on to the glass surface. So let's read the label. Rain repellent improves visibility, simply getting old. Improves visibility by repelling. I don't know what it says. Yeah, this is difficult. By repelling and so normally my English is quite good, but I don't know what they mean with it. Add 5-in-1. You can comment under this video so we can all learn. I've got here a can with 5 liters of water. So I'm gonna add the product to the water, shake it a little. Gets foamy. Open the bonnet, there we go. Open the reservoir, pour it in. That's quite a difference. Now without the pressure. Here we go. The 5-in-1 Rain Buster. We could have seen the results. We could have seen how I filled it up in the reservoir. You could have seen how to dilute it with 5 liters of water. It's easy peasy, and I think it's a great add-on if you're detailing commercially. I think your customers will love it, especially in this time of the year. So today is 16 September, and I think yesterday the autumn started here in the Netherlands, and I've seen rain and storm pretty much only. And I would say, especially in this time of year with a lot of rain, this is a great add-on to use. So that's a wrap for the 5-in-1 Rain Buster. If you'd like to know more about glass cleaning, then click on the pop-up banner and see how to get streak-free glass in your car as well.